This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Lift the wiper arm away from the glass for clearance. Release the side tabs, securing the wiper blade to the arm, then pivot the blade outward and off the arm. Fit the new wiper blade by attaching it into the end of the arm, then pivot and secure the blade to the arm. An audible click can be heard that indicates that the side tabs have been locked in. Lower the arm to the windscreen.